Do you know many people are having trouble with installing a new cable on their lawnmower drive box? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Remove old cable. Remove the old cable from the drive box by detaching it carefully. Step 2. Feed new cable. Take the new cable and feed it through the designated path to the drive box. Step 3. Secure cable attachment. Ensure the cable is securely attached to the drive box to prevent any slippage during operation. Step 4. Adjust cable tension. Adjust the tension of the cable according to the manufacturer's guidelines for optimal performance. Step 5. Test cable functionality. Test the functionality of the new cable by engaging the drive system to see if it operates smoothly. Step 6. Double-check installation. Double-check the cable installation to make sure it is properly aligned and functioning correctly before using the lawnmower. By following these steps, you should be able to install a new cable on the drive box of your Yard Force YF22-3N1SP-SC lawnmower with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Yard Force users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.